Oke guys, jadi hari ini kita mau membuat vlog. Kita hari ini mau ngecat lemari guys, lemari tua. Dimana lemari ini sudah berusia lebih dari 30 tahun guys. Tapi kayunya masih kokoh. Oleh sebab itu kita mau renovasi. Dan sekarang kita lagi perjalanan menuju Panglong terdekat. Kita mau membeli kertas pasir guys, karena sebelum kita mengecat ada baiknya lemarinya tersebut kita amplas dulu gitu guys. Oke, ikuti terus perjalanan kita hari ini. Oke, jadi kita sedang dalam perjalanan guys menuju Panglong terdekat guys. Oke guys, kita sudah hampir sampai di Panglongnya guys. Ini dia Panglongnya. Oke guys, jadi ini dia peralatan kita untuk mengecat hari ini. Ini ada catnya warna jati guys, ini kuas, tas pasir yang kasar, dan ini yang lembut guys. Oke guys, jadi ini penampakan lemarinya guys. Ini ukurannya kecil. Ada 3 laci gitu guys.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go,